Okay. This is the next day after building the side-by-side trail, and it is cold today. I think it got down to 30s last night and the winds are blowing and stuff, so this is my first jacket day of this season. Of course, I wore one yesterday a little bit because of the rain. But come home last night and we worked down here at the pond just a little. Nothing major, but I did dip this end on out up through here a little bit towards the pipe. And got the dirt piled over. I'll have to move one day with the tractor. Now we're going to get the excavator, go down and try to dig a few rocks out that Dad hits when he mows at the cabin, log house. Then we'll break out the water hose, wash the excavator, and take it back to Norton. Tell you what, I like this little machine. Kato. It's a 35, 3.5 ton machine. Got steel tracks. If I had one, I don't know. It's nice to have them rubber pads on there, but I would about prefer not to have them. Which you can unbolt them, that's an option. And just use it run the steel tracks. Around here, the steel tracks would do a lot better. But I'd like to have one of these units. It really does good. Handles good. Whoop. Seems plenty strong. And quick.
Help a lot when I mow. Got a couple more. I'm gonna try to get him to get out of here. Somebody wanted me to tell about Benjamin, something funny on Benjamin. He out here one day and he talking to Tiffany on his telephone. And right in the middle of the conversation, he started patting on his pockets, and he's on his lawnmower and looking all around his lawnmower and everything. And he told Tiffany, "But I've lost my telephone someplace." He's looking all over the place for it, and she said, "Well, duh, what are you talking on, Benjamin?" Got a cable up there, got to watch for it. That one may be too big to, oh, no, it's going to come out of there. Oh, hey, that's good. I wanted that one out for a long time. Didn't think it would come out of there. Right under that sod right there. There's one right here under this piece of sod. Now he's getting that one out of there too. That's some big rocks in there. Got her done. Good pile of rocks out there in just a minute or two. Get out here and pick up these little pieces, get them out of the way. Fill the hose in a little bit of dirt. Job like that in 5 minutes take you all day with something else to do. One more right down there you can try, Ben. Move. It's another big one though, isn't it? Another big one. I've been dodging those things for years. That's a big one, all right. Go way down. Oh wow. There it comes. Oh, goodness gracious. What a rock. Man, that thing is huge. That machine right there has some power, that's for sure. A lot of power. I didn't try to dig that now. Must be another one over here. I clear it though. That's all. Appreciate that. Helped me mow a lot easier now, a lot better.
boy's a little wild sometimes, but he ain't afraid to try stuff. Put it in low. Put it back in low. raise your boom up and swing out over the garden. Don't hit the building. Now stick it out over the edge there. And open your bucket up. Okay. I think I'll clean our trailer off a little bit too. Got it muddy loading back up yesterday. Okay, we'll give it one final rinse down and take it back. Okay, we got her loaded up and ready to take back. Until next time. But if y'all will, please like, subscribe, and comment. I really appreciate you watching. Appreciate all the new subscribers I've got recently. And if you have any video ideas, share them with me, or things I can do to improve. I may or may not be able to accomplish those things, but I'll try if I can. But we'll check with you later.